Have you ever noticed how your mind feels exhausted, even after sleeping for 8 hours? You wake up, stretch, take a deep breath, but the mental fog is already there. You reach for coffee, scroll your phone, try to focus, but nothing seems to work. This isn't laziness, it isn't weakness, it's a signal. Your mind is overloaded, and it's asking for a break. Imagine for a moment that you could press a reset button to instantly refresh your thoughts, regain clarity, and feel awake in just a few minutes. Today, we'll explore exactly why your mind feels tired, and more importantly, how you can fix it quickly using simple, science-backed, calming techniques. By the end of this video, you'll understand the hidden patterns that drain your brain, and you'll have a step-by-step method to recharge your mind, anytime, anywhere. Welcome to Quiet Mind Shift, a place where simple moments of awareness, calm, and presence can transform your mental energy. If you've been feeling exhausted, mentally drained, or overwhelmed, know this: your mind is not broken. It's simply running on overdrive, without proper pauses. Throughout this video, we'll explore the science behind mental fatigue, the habits that unknowingly drain your brain, and simple practices to restore your mental clarity. These methods are subtle, they're gentle, they don't require caffeine, long hours of meditation, or complicated routines, and yet, when practiced consistently, they can reshape how you feel, think, and respond to the world. Part 1. Understanding mental fatigue. To fix mental fatigue, we must first understand it. Your brain is a remarkable organ. It processes thoughts, memories, emotions, and decisions constantly, but it has limits. Imagine your mind as a cup. Every task, every notification, every worry adds a drop of stress to this cup. By the end of the day, the cup overflows, and you feel drained, foggy, or even frustrated without knowing why. Several factors silently drain your mental energy. 1. Multitasking. Each task demands attention. Switching between them repeatedly burns more energy than focusing on one at a time. 2. Digital overload. Notifications, emails, social media. Every ping pulls your attention away, fragmenting your focus. 3. Unprocessed emotions. Worries, regrets, or unresolved thoughts take up mental space, often without you realizing it. 4. Lack of micro breaks. Your brain needs small pauses to recharge. Even a few minutes of stillness can make a difference. 5. Poor sleep quality. Sleep isn't just about hours. Interrupted sleep or excessive stress before bed reduces mental clarity. Even small habits, like checking your phone before bed, jumping between tasks, or skipping a quiet morning moment, accumulate into chronic mental fatigue. The good news? Awareness is the first step. Once you recognize these patterns, you can begin to reclaim your mental energy. Part 2. The science of resetting your mind. Resetting your mind doesn't require hours of meditation. Even short, intentional pauses can restore clarity and focus. Science shows that the brain has natural cycles of attention and rest. When you work for 60-90 minutes without a break, your mental performance declines. But even 5 minutes of intentional stillness can reduce stress hormones, improve focus and attention, refresh working memory, boost creativity. This is not just theory. Studies on mindfulness, breathing techniques, and sensory focus show that these simple practices activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for rest, repair, and mental clarity. In short, your mind has a built-in reset button. You just need to learn how to press it. Part 3. Step-by-step mental recharge. Now, let's explore the step-by-step process to recharge your mind in minutes. Step 1. Deep breathing. Sit or lie comfortably. Close your eyes. Inhale gently for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale slowly for 6. Repeat 10 cycles. This simple breathing technique floods your body with oxygen, slows your heart rate, and signals your nervous system that it's time to relax. Step 2. Focus on one sensation. Bring your attention to a single sensation, the sound of birds, the warmth of sunlight, or the feeling of your feet on the ground. your mind will naturally wander. That's okay. Gently return focus to the sensation. Step 3. Observe thoughts without judgment. Imagine your thoughts as clouds drifting across the sky. You don't need to chase them. Don't engage, just observe. This practice creates mental space, allowing your brain to reset and recharge. Step 4. Small physical movement. After a few minutes of stillness, gently move your body. Stretch your arms, rotate your shoulders, or take a slow walk. Movement restores blood flow and signals your brain to switch from rest to alertness without stress. Part 4. Long-term mental clarity habits. To sustain mental energy throughout the day, develop small, consistent habits. 1. Micro breaks. Every 60-90 minutes, step away from your desk or task. Even 2 to 3 minutes of stillness restores attention. 2. Movement. Walk, stretch, or do gentle exercises. Physical activity improves circulation and mental alertness. 3. Mindful digital usage. Check emails or messages at set times. Avoid constant notifications. 4. Morning calm ritual. Begin your day with 5 minutes of intentional presence. No phone, no distractions. 5. Evening. Unwind. Give your brain 30-60 minutes of quiet before sleep. Reduce screens, meditate, or simply breathe. Small daily habits compound into massive mental clarity over time. Your mind begins to feel lighter, sharper, and more energized. Naturally. Your mind isn't weak, it's simply overworked. By noticing the signs of fatigue, creating intentional pauses, and practicing small daily habits, you can reclaim your mental energy, clarity, and calm. Take just 5 minutes today to reset. Notice the difference. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Quiet Mind Shift for more techniques that bring calm, focus, and clarity into your daily life.